Well, here we are with this pig again, and I'm about to put some tire slime in it. All 4 tires lose a little bit of air over time, but this one's the worst. These tires, the tread on them is still good. It's just that they're old. I don't think they're leaking around the wheel. I just think that you know, this one's already been repaired once by the prior owner, so it might be leaking out of that. But this should solve this problem pretty easily. I've used this stuff in the past on other stuff and it's worked great. So all I'm gonna do is, I don't even think I need to jack this up. I'm just gonna take the valve core out of the stem, release all the air out of it, and then we'll get ready to fill it back up. So it says to use about 8 ounces for a lawnmower tire. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know why they make that difficult, but here we are. Of course, there is a seal here we'll have to remove. So with the tube on, just like that, squeeze her on in. One more squeeze. That's kind of hard to see. And that's 8 ounces removed. I just verified it with the sunlight. So we're gonna put the valve core back in. And actually I have some new ones of these, so I'm just gonna replace it. But brand new valve core. Just screw it on in. And then fill it up. Put about 20 PSI into this thing. PSI. And that's good. Now just to do the other side. Same exact thing, and I'll do the fronts too. Well, both the back tires are done. The fronts are actually holding air just fine. I thought that was not the case, but I guess it is. All done. So I just have to drive it around now, but I got to put some gas in it first. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty simple to slime your tires.